In today's activity, you and your partner will be designing your home using the planner on RoomSketcher to create your floor plan. This video will show you the basic tools to use on this site and how to navigate your floor plan. Only use the tools that are shown to you. When this video says pause, you will need to pause the video and follow the instructions given. Remember, you can always pause at any time and rewind if you need to. First, we will learn about the basic tools and buttons that you will be using. When you open up the planner on RoomSketcher from the link in Moodle, this is what should pop up. This right here is your floor plan. So this is your house. As you can see, it has a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, the hallway, and the bedroom. To zoom in, you can either come down here to this magnifying glass and click on the drop down arrow, and if you click on the plus, it will start to zoom in. If you click on the minus, it will zoom out. If you are zoomed in and you want it to its original size, you just need to click once on the magnifying glass and it will go back to the regular size to where you can see everything in your floor plan at the two-dimensional level. You can also use the scroll on your mouse. So if you move it up, it will zoom in. If you move it down, it will zoom back out. The next thing, once we start adding or deleting furniture, if there's something that you accidentally did that you don't want to do, there is an undo button, which is this back arrow down here. If you undo it and then you decide that you actually want it in your floor plan, you can do this redo button and it will bring it back. The next thing that we will look at are the 4 different types of materials that we can add into our floor plan. So if you look over here to the bottom left side, this will include the walls. As you can see, it got rid of all the furniture. If you are in the walls mode, it will just show you basically the rough outline of your floor plan. So it will show you all of the different walls and the windows and the doors. If you click on the windows part, this will give you options to add in different types of windows. If you want more options, you can click on this green arrow over here and it will give you more options. With the materials, this gives you a lot of different things. This you can search all kinds of different stuff. As you can see, we've got borders, bricks, carpets, concrete. This will most likely be what you want for your flooring. And then the furniture section, this has all the types of furniture that you can or that you would like to include in your floor plan. So as you can see, you can use the green arrows to go forward and back to look at all of your different options. There's also a search bar right here. So if I'm looking specifically for a type of furniture, so if I'm looking for beds, I can type in beds and click enter, and then it will give me a bunch of different options for beds. I can also use this drop down arrow to search for different categories. And there's a whole lot of different categories in there. It might be easier to search specifically what you are looking for. Another really cool feature of this floor plan, of the RoomSketcher, is right now it is in 2D, which means two-dimensional, it's flat. If you want to look at things in 3D, so if you actually want to look at it in a way as if you were actually standing inside of your house, you can come up here to the top right hand corner. As you see, the 2D is highlighted in green. If I click on the 3D, okay, really really quickly, this is my camera view. So when I switch to 3D, I'm going to be in the living room and kitchen. If I want to be in the bedroom, I can move the camera view into the bedroom and it would take me to there. But for right now, we will stay with the living room and kitchen. So I'm going to click on 3D. It will take a few seconds to load. Now I am in 3D inside of my house. So this is the living room and the kitchen over here. That's the hallway, so the bedroom would be over here and the bathroom right here. You can use these navigation tools over here to zoom in, or you can zoom out. You can also use these arrows to navigate around so you can see everything that's inside of your house. You can also use the mouse to drag to take you through the different parts of your house. So this is in 3D. You get to see everything close up and see what it looks like on the inside. We are going to switch back to 2D for this part. Right now, everything is already sort of designed out. It already has furniture in there. We don't want to do that. We want to start from scratch. So what we are going to do is we are going to go through and actually delete all of the furniture that is already in the house. So to do that, I'm going to zoom in so that it's easier to click on specific pieces of furniture. I'm going to start in the kitchen. Once you click on an item, it will show you here off to the right-hand side what that item is. So I clicked on this and it says it's the ceiling lamp. It should give you this red X, and that will be to delete. So I'm just going to start clicking on all of the furniture inside the house and deleting it. That was everything in the kitchen, so now let's take out everything in the living room. Don't worry about the bathroom or the balcony. All we want is to delete the furniture from the living room, the kitchen, and the bedroom. Now that I've deleted all of the furniture in the house, we will need to add another bedroom since there are two of you working together as partners, and since you two are roommates. In our floor plan, you can see that there's only one bedroom, so that's why we need to add another bedroom. If there is just one person working in your module, you do not have to do this part. But if there are two people, you will follow these instructions. If you have not had a chance to delete all of the furniture in your house, pause the video at this time and finish deleting all of the furniture. Start the video back up once all the furniture is gone. So now that I'm working with a blank floor plan and I need another room, I'm actually going to zoom in because there should be two windows right here. I'm going to come down here and click on the windows part. And this is a window. As you can see, it says it over here on the right side. So I'm going to delete that. Same with this one. And then click on the number 1 that says walls. We are going to choose a thin wall. And I'm just going to zoom out a little bit so that it's easier to work with. So I'm going to click on thin wall, and I'm going to start my wall in this corner where the balcony connects to the living room. So I'm going to click in the corner, and then it should make this line. So we are going to drag it out. Just drag it out a little bit. It should be, try to get it to 3.5 or as close to 3.5 meters as you can. And now you've created that wall. Once you click to set the wall in place, it'll automatically start drawing another wall. So let's go and drag it to the right side. And as you can see, the blue dotted line will match up perfectly to where your living room and the other bedroom meet. So click there so that you have a perfect line. And then draw and make your third wall. Now you've just created your second bedroom. So come down here and click on the select with the arrow. Remember, if you did something and it was incorrect, you can always click on the undo button. This is our second bedroom. We do need a door to get into this bedroom, so let's go to Windows and etc. This also has doors in there, so I'm just going to click on this door right here. And you will click on it and drag it in. And I'm going to put it on the left side of this room, right here. Okay, so now my floor plan includes 2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, the hallway and the bathroom, and the balcony. But remember, we are just going to focus on the 2 bedrooms and the living room and the kitchen. When you are choosing furniture and other things to add in, you will take the item and you will end up dropping it in. So if I drop in my bed into my bedroom and it's facing the wrong way, you can use these arrows. So you'll click on the item, use these arrows, and you can spin it around so that it's correct. And then you can move it around in the room to where you would like it. If you want to change the color of the walls, you will need to be in the materials section, and you will need to click on paint, and you can choose any color that you would like, and you will take the color and you'll drag it into the room of which color you want those walls painted, and it'll ask you where do you want to apply this material. So you can choose the walls, the floor, or both the walls and the floor. I just want the walls, so I'm just going to click walls, and now my bedroom is painted this color. These are the basic features of the planner in Room Sketcher. If you forget something, make sure you go back through this video and re-watch it. You will need to follow the directions in Moodle for what specifically you need to add in to your house.